Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a fake review. Google My Business just implemented a new feature, and I want to show you how to use it. It's super easy. Watch this. All right, guys, so dealing with Google fake reviews has been very difficult over the past several years because there really wasn't a system. Google didn't really have a system to get them removed. However, they just implemented one this week. So if you have some fake reviews, some competitors who gave you some fake reviews, some customers that you don't recognize in your database, and they left a review, there's a way now to flag their review. So let me show you how to do it. It's just super simple. It just came out this week. You go to reviews. Okay. Now you hit these three lines and you see where it says lowest rating? Just click that. You'll notice on January 22nd, 2018 and January 22nd, 2018, I got two low reviews. I have 131 5-star reviews. Hey guys, if you could leave a review, a 5-star review, I have the link below. So feel free to please do that. And also subscribe to my channel. All right, so enough of that. So then you click these three dots and you just flag as inappropriate. Now the great thing about this is it doesn't appear, at least at this point. Now this is a new feature. It just came on this week. Doesn't appear that you have to provide any type of documentation. I guess Google will do the research. So those two reviews that I got were either spam, they were done in a fake account, or they were done by a competitor. It's one of these. I'm going to click spam for both of these and we'll see what happens. But if anybody, uses any kind of curse words, they'll definitely remove them. So click profanity. Or if they bullied you, or if they added any of your personal information like your phone number or your address, Google will remove them right away. So at least now you have a way to remove those fake reviews, right? Customer service is everything in our business. And when I say our business, I mean my business and your business. Customer service is everything. And without customer service, you don't have a business. You could have a great product. You could have the best product. But if people don't like you and people don't trust you and you don't come through on your word, then it doesn't matter what type of product or service you're selling. So I truly believe in the future. In the next probably 10 years, I think everything's going to run like Uber. And what does that mean? Here's what I think. I don't think a dentist is going to sit in an office all day or a lawyer. I think they're going to have an app, and when somebody has a toothache, they're going to hit the Uber app or the dentist app. They're going to find somebody who's close, who has 100 5-star ratings. They're going to click the app and make an appointment, and in 10 minutes they'll go to the dentist. That's a great idea if anybody wants to do that. I don't have the time. But I think every business is going to be like that. Every business is going to be your rating is going to be as important as how much money you make. Right? So I guess Google, what they're doing now is giving a way to to move towards that. At least now you could fight fake ratings, fake ratings. Look, if you really have a customer that was dissatisfied and they were crazy, but they were a real customer, personally, I would leave it. It's not spam. It's not off topic. It's not a conflict of interest. They didn't use profanity. They didn't try to bully me. They didn't say anything hateful, and they didn't look, they're just dissatisfied with my service. What could you do? So, you write something nice in the response. That's another thing, guys. Make sure that you reply to every single review left. Let me show you how to do that. You just go into reviews and just click haven't replied. And you want to try to reply to your reviews as soon as they come, as fast as possible. Another thing in your reply, let me see if I have a good example of that. So, whoops, let me show you. So what I try to do in most of my reviews is I try to use some of my keywords. See, I use local SEO, not in every one, but in almost every review, I'll use 5-star review. I'll use, that I have a YouTube channel, right? 5-star local SEO video. So when you respond to your reviews, try using some of your keywords. Don't spam it. I don't think it helps much, but it definitely helps the algorithm to reinforce what you do. That I do believe. So, hey, look, short little video on reviews, but this is definitely going to help you. Click this little thing here, click this little thing, lowest review, flag is inappropriate, mark it as spam or conflict of interest, and hopefully Google will remove those. I think Google has to take a look at my 131 5-star reviews and see 2 low reviews left on the same day, and hopefully they'll have enough common sense to see that that is spam. Okay. All right, guys. So look, have a great day. I got some SEO work to do. If there's anything that I could do to help you, if you're lacking in the Google 3-pack and you want to rank in the Google 3-pack, why don't you just shoot me over a text and maybe I could help you. My cell number is 813-816-1594. So if anything I could do to help you, feel free to shoot me over a text, or if you want to email me, my email address is brettmoletta@gmail.com. I'll put it in the description below. Hey guys, I'm trying to get 5,000 subscribers by March 1st. Please subscribe to my channel and please like this video, and we'll see you tomorrow.